Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are staying healthy and safe at home. Welcome back to your social studies class, children. In the previous class, we had started the lesson about occupations, right, children? Yes. Today, let us continue the remaining part of your lesson, children. Okay? Today, let us go for mining. Yes, children, tell me what is mining? Mining means digging up of minerals from inside the earth. Understood? So let us learn about mining, children. Mining involves digging out minerals such as iron, coal, manganese, and petroleum from the earth's surface. In some states of India that are rich in minerals, mining is an important occupation. So, children, mining involves what? Digging out minerals such as, what are the minerals they dig out from, children? Mining means it is nothing but digging out minerals such as iron, coal, manganese and petroleum from earth's surface. Understood? From the earth's surface they dig out the mineral like iron, coal and manganese and petroleum. No, children, that is called as mining. Got it? In some states of India that are rich in minerals, mining is an important occupation. So in some states of India, children, where there is very rich in minerals, means in certain places there will be lots of minerals, right? In that states, mining is an important occupation. Understood? Yes. Some of these minerals are processed to get metals. So some of the minerals has been processed to get what, children? To get metals. You know what are metals, right? Metals are used to make utensils. Means metals na ಏನೇನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? To make utensils ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳು, pipes and machines, railway engines, railway engines and automobiles. Means to make the parts of the vehicles. Yes or no? They use metal for all those things, children, and many other items also. Understood? Petroleum gives us petrol, diesel, plastics and medicines. And also, children, petroleum. From petroleum, what we all get, children? We get petrol, diesel, plastics and also medicines. Got it? Petrol and diesel are used to run cars and buses. So petrol and diesel are used to run what? As everybody know, as you all know, petrol and diesel are used to run cars and buses, right, children? Yes, if you put petrol and diesel only, the vehicles are going to move. Okay, like cars and buses. Yes. Making goods in factories. Farmer grow goods means what, children? ಸರಕುಗಳು. Understood? ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, that is called goods. Understood? Farmers grow cotton in their farms. As you know, farmers grow cotton in their farms, right, children? Yes. This cotton has to be converted into cloths for us to wear. So ee cotton na ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They convert that cotton into the cloths. This is done in factories. So all this has been done in factories. What do you mean by factory, children? A building where goods are made. Okay, is called as factory. Okay, similarly, oil seeds, sugarcane, jute, tea leaves or coffee beans grown by farmers are taken to factories. So all this oil seeds, so sugarcane, jute, ಮತ್ತೆ tea leaves and coffee beans, coffee ಬೀಜ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? They take all this to factories, and there what they do, children, and process to get useful goods. There they process into useful goods such as sugar, rope, tea and coffee powder. Understood, children? Yes. Materials like metals and plastics are made into useful goods such as utensils, buckets, toys, machines or bodies of cars, buses and aeroplanes in factories. So materials like metals and plastics, children. From metal and plastic, what and all they do, children? They do useful goods such as utensils, metals in the utensils, plastics in the buckets, toys, machines, and also bodies of cars. As I told before, bodies of cars are made up of metals, right? Yes. And buses also, and aeroplanes also in factories. So they do all these such things in factories. Understood, children? Yes. Selling goods and services. Once these goods are made, they have to reach us. So once that goods are ready, goods all ready adaga yenagatte. So we all go and purchase them, right, children? So they reach us. Okay, a number of people work as shopkeepers or traders to sell the goods to us. So number of people work as shopkeepers. Yes, we go to shops, right, to buy such things, and also as traders, or traders means they are there to sell the goods to us. Andre avaru namge goods na sell ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Got it? Yes. Goods have to be transported from one place to another. So they goods na ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ they transport from one place to another. Yes or no, children? Yes, so that people working in the transport services help to do this. So people working in the transport services, andre many people will be working in transport, no, children, in that services. So they help to do such things to what they help to transfer the goods from one place to another. Understood? Yes, besides goods, we also need certain services. And also besides goods, only if we have goods, that's enough, children? No. We also need some of the other certain services, that is, and also we need some of the services, right? Yes. Postal, telecommunication, medical, travel, and entertainment are some of them. So what are those other services, children? Postal, you know, post ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, post ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So you can see postal workers. And also telecommunication means ದೂರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ. Understood? And also medical ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. And also travel, ಪ್ರಯಾಣ, and also entertainment, and are some of them. Understood? A number of people work to provide us with these services. So to do all these services, so many people work under this, children. Number of people work to provide us these services. Got it? Yes. You have seen how people do different kinds of work to earn a livelihood. So now you understood, no, children, how people do different kinds of work to earn their livelihood. Yes or no? If you want to satisfy our basic needs, so what we should do? We should earn, right? Without earning, can we satisfy our basic needs, children? No. So all this, so we should do different kind of work. All these people are important to us as they provide us with the goods and services we need. So all these people are important to us because they need us goods and services whichever we need. Yes or no? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. So all the people are important to us. Okay, children? Yes, did you all understood this chapter, children? It was very interesting, right, children? Yes, before this, children, I'll just show you the images which are there inside this. Yeah, here you can see a farmer chucking his crop. Your dairy farming, children. Your poultry farming. See, you can see here. And see, did you know the states of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand are rich in mineral deposits? So in Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, children, Jharkhand, minerals are very rich. So their main occupation will be what? Mining. Got it? Yes. A factory where cotton is being made into yarn. So see, you can see in the image here, children, women working in coal mines. Coal means what, children? Kalliddalu. Got it? Yes. Your fish being taken to the market for sale. So they're taking the fish to market to sell. Your children, a neighborhood shop selling goods. So here is a shop, they are selling the goods. And here is a woman, a postal worker collecting letters from a letter box. So here is a postal lady, woman. She is collecting the letters from a postal box. Got it? From a letter box. Yes, children. So hope you all have understood this chapter, children. I want you all to read the lesson once again. Okay? And try to understand the chapter. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you.